In his book, This is Marketing, Seth Godin describes marketing as a generous act of solving a problem. I love this quote and I just wanted to explore it a bit further in this quick video today. Why does he say that? Well, let's have a little look at what marketing is. In fact, let's have a little look at what business is, and then I think that helps inform what marketing is. Business, really, for me, is quite simple, although, you know, more complicated than I'm going to make it sound. But effectively, you make a thing, whether that's a product or a service that you provide, and then you sell that thing. That's all you got to do, right? Make the thing, sell the thing. Easy as that. Okay. Obviously, it's a bit more complicated than that. But what is marketing within that? Marketing is telling people about the thing that you make. So it's telling people that you exist. The reason that Seth describes marketing as a generous act is because the thing that you make, the product or the service that you provide, you're making because you believe and you know that it will help people. The customers that you have been helped by whatever it is that you provide. So you know you've got a great service, you know that it could help people. And the reason he says that marketing is a generous act is because you are going out there and making people aware that you exist. You're making people aware of what you can do for them. You know that if they give you, £1,000, they're going to get 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 pounds of value from what you've provided for them. You believe in your product. I think that's where probably the sort of old school marketing of like advertising and pushing and telling people, they should do this and kind of coercing. I think that's probably where it fell down really, is because people maybe didn't necessarily feel deeply inside that they're actually got something that can benefit people. So they're sort of pushing it to people. You've got something that can genuinely help people, that can genuinely help them push their business forward or their lives forward, improve their lives, whatever it is. So, how does it help to know that it's a generous act? Well, I think that it prevents you from being shy about going out there and talking about what it is that you have to offer. You know that you're generously helping people and genuinely helping people. Don't be shy. Go out there and talk about what it is that you can do, but do it in such a way that demonstrates your expertise first and then makes people aware of what you can provide for them, and they'll come flocking to you. Then it kind of makes it a little bit more simple. What you're doing is a generous thing. You're telling people what you can do for them. Don't be shy about it, and they will want to actually hear from you. So I hope this video has been helpful today. A little short one, give you a little bit of motivation. If you've enjoyed it, please leave some comments below. We'd like to know what else you would like to hear about. Hit the notification button, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you next time.